Super soft and tasty Tawa naan. Preparation: naan dough. Add 1 kilogram white flour in bowl. Add salt 1 tablespoon as required. Add sugar 1 tablespoon. Add meat soda 1 teaspoon. Mix well together dry ingredients. Add oil 4 tablespoon. Add yogurt 1 cup. Mix well together. Mix a soft dough in light hot water. Cover wet cloth and rest 2 hours. Naan dough. After 2 hours, see and make a peta. Make a naan roti. Spread water in roti and haradania. Sprinkle water in tawa and put roti. Turn side tawa in fire and cook naan roti. Ready naan roti out in tawa. Ready to eat naan. Enjoy soft and tasty homemade naan. For watching.